Next up, more Optic football. Another hybrid box with a hobby box.
Yeah, I had to cut the bottom of the shirt off so it wasn't hanging lower than my shorts at the event.
Well, we only have 3 more breaks after this. No one wants Mosaic and Star Wars. They're not. I mean, people want them, but hasn't really.
I thought they were
they're not
7
really
and
moving.
12. Not
Yeah, they're not
that
moving.
close. You can do them Friday if they don't want to do them today.
Yeah. I feel like people are starting to want baseball more because the season's coming and the prices are going up on everything. But I don't know what baseball to do. Nothing. I mean, best is cool. I don't know what else to do. What you guys want? I keep seeing that stupid seagull up there. Jacob Eason. Rhaegar. What do you guys want? Select. I have no select baseball. No. That wouldn't be a bad idea to bring some in. I like that stuff. Colin Johnson. Chrome HTA, I do have that. There's a Mahomes T-. You guys want Chrome HTA? I don't know. KJ Hamler rated rookie. Edward Zilaire hollow rated rookie. Nice. Brian doesn't want it. Kelsey. Not doing Chronicles. Coulter. Alberto. Yeah, I don't have any of that. Swift rookie. Elite Elite Series.
It's like we don't have any baseball. They're asking for all this stuff. I mean, we have Bowman Chromes, but
yeah.
They're like, any tier 1, any triple threads? No.
Well, I have triple threads. It's just $1 zillion.
Oh yeah, we do have a little triple threads.
Yeah. Triple threads would be cool, but it's like Brazilian dollars. Wells, P. Ryan, Parkinson hollow.
Well, we have to ration like that mixer we did tonight. That's like we only have 1 more box of Brooklyn.
Yeah, I have 1 box. Dalton Keene, Tom Brady. Yeah, not doing Bowman draft. Also $1 bazillion. Not even worth it. Too much work for us. Akers, rated rookie. Football mixer wouldn't fill. Update hobby now. Henry Ruggs, rated rookie. Isaiah Coulter, it's $2.99. Out of stature. Justin Jefferson, the rookies. Werfs. Maybe I'll do a triple threads on Friday. Noah. Brady. Russell Wilson. Fast break parallel to 125. Brian Edwards. We're supposed to have limited football, limited football is supposed to release Friday, but I don't know if it's going to. We'll see. Kenneth Murray. Tommy Stevens. Ooh.
Nice.
Nice. Tua blue rated rookie. Owen. 33 of 179. That's really nice. Denzel Mims.
Great looking card.
Daryl Taylor hollow. Jeremy Chin. All the beefs, yeah. Joe Mixon blue. Jeff Okuda. Jake Fromm, hollow rated rookie. Nate Stanley. What is this? Number to 10, a retro Jason Taylor autograph. Huh.
Gold.
Yeah, it's gold. I mean, it's not really.
Must just be the left and right. That's. I guess the retro is in gold lettering.
Oh, is it? AJ Brown, Justin Jefferson rated rookie. Is there still no checklist for certified basketball? There wasn't one this morning. Von Miller, my house. I was gonna do teams, but couldn't even find it. Baker, Saquon, Jordan Brooks. Dikwara. Joe Mixon hollow, Becton. Number to 50, AJ Dillon, blue rated rookie. Cole Kmet. Donated 9, what? 100 viewers. Holy crap, what the heck? Jason Taylor. That retro series autograph was number to 10. That's not true. You always get a card. You get a pack at least. It's a lie. From. There's that Tua blue. Everybody here, every single time they've donated, gets cards. Edwards-Helaire hollow. Okay, we'll send a thank you card.